Guys, welcome back to another episode of Android application development tutorial with Android Studio. In this episode, we are going to learn about how to highlight a selected item from a list view. So here is the example we used in the previous episode. So here is a list view is available. So when we select an item on this list view, there is no idea about which item is actually selected by the user. So we have to highlight the selected item on the list view. So you can highlight a selected item on the list view by changing the font color, or you can change the background color of the item. And you can easily change the background color or the font color of the item by using a selector. So here in this episode I am going to show you how to highlight the selected item on the list view. So if you are not watching the previous episode, please go for the previous episode and watch the list view tutorial and come back to this tutorial, because I used the previous example. So here we have a list view that used a custom layout. Here is our custom layout that contain a text view. So this text view will represent each item of the list view. So first we have to, so here my plan is, when user select the item, I have to change the selected item color, background color, and also I need to change the pressed item background color. So first we have to set up the needed color resources. So here is two HTML color code. The first color code represent red color and the second color code represent blue color. So first we have to set up the needed resources. So go to the values folder and right click the values folder and create a new values resource file. I name the file as colors and click OK. Now here I am going to add the needed color as a resources. So it is a drawable resource. I name the first resource as red color. Okay, now we have to provide the HTML color code for red color. So here is an HTML color code for red color. Put a hash symbol and specify the color code. Yeah, this represents a red color. Now I am going to add another drawable resource. The name is blue color. Now we have to specify the HTML color code for blue color. Okay. Now we have to add a selector. So we have to add a selector. So go to the drawable folder and right click the drawable folder and create a new drawable resource file. And I name the file as my selector and click OK. Now we have a selector XML file. Now here we have to specify each item. So the first item is item pressed. So Android state pressed. So whenever user press the button, press an item on the list view, we have to change the background color of the item. I change into state pressed into true. If this is true, I have to change the pressed item color into blue color. So here I am going to change the pressed item background color into red one. So Android drawable, the color is available on the drawable folder, and specify the color name. Here the color name is red color. Now I am going to add another item. Here the item name is Android state selected. So now I am going to change the selected item background color into blue. so Android Drawable, color name is color blue color. Okay, now we have to set up this selector as the background for the item. So here on the custom layout, this text view will represent each item on the list view. So we have to set background color for this text view, Android background. The selector is available on the drawable folder, and the selector XML file name is my selector. Okay, and one more thing, now we have to make this text view is a selectable one. For that, go to the main activity.java file and go to the on item, click listener of the list view. Now here is the view argument. So this view argument will represent each text view. So we have to enable selection for the text view. So view dot set selected into true. Okay, now we complete all the coding. Now we can test the application. So now I am going to run the application. Okay, now the application is available on the virtual device. Now I am going to press an item on this list view. Now I press this item, so now the background color of the pressed item turn into red. Now I select this item, so the selected item is now blue. Now I select another one, the selected item background color change into red. When I select that particular item, the background color is changed into blue. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.